Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we do have another tropical tour video. This one is an absolute beauty. Really can't believe this is the UK, but it really is, so check this out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be lots of videos coming out, tour videos coming out on a Monday, so please be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit the like button because it really does help the channel out. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.